Good afternoon and good Sunday to you. Double clutch or grind here, back on the 69. So guys, I did a little tweaking with the heat kit 600 meter. Anyways guys, I decided to check for some more vacuum leaks. So I went to the ported manifold on the base of the carburetor, and then traced out all the way up to the P.C.V valve. Come to find out, this piece of hose here was loose. I could pull off with my hand. If you look inside, I don't know if you can see inside there or not, but it's pretty jammed up and it's not ready to hold some pressure. Yeah, it's leaking. This one here is a little bit better. It's got a smaller neck on it though. Oh yeah, this is a lot tighter. So I'm going to have to improvise a little bit, so I trimmed down some of the hose here. Alright, so I did a little trimming on the hose here. So I'm going to do a little trimming on the inside of this hose here, which seems to be a lot easier. Almost there. Looks pretty good. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, so I got the ends on. Well, this is just for experimental, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get a piece for it anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on and then tighten it up and start it up and see if it increases the vacuum any. Just got to get this thing tightened down. Alright guys, so I got it all clamped in there. Just give it the old college try. Everything's hooked up to the coil. Alright, just a jet adjustment, and it's right on 600. Awesome. Let's give it a rev. And 650. It's humming nicely though. Oh yeah, looking good. Look at that, 600 RPM, give or take 20 or 40 RPM. It's holding pretty steady, guys. I'm loving it. All right, time to put on the air cleaner. Look out the leads. Make sure that 360 is facing me. Alright, beautiful. Gotta spin it the clockwise, not counterclockwise. Alright. There we go. Alright guys, this is Double Clutch or Grind signing off. Have a great Sunday. Maybe I'll take it for a little ride, huh? Can't resist. Anyways, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.